Good morning. This is Joyce with Mod Squad Challenge blog. I welcome you and thank you for joining us. I wanted to do a quick video to overview how to add links and what the rules are for winning. In our blog, we offer almost every week we have two prizes, and these are physical prizes, either sent to you or a gift certificate where you can shop in their stores. So the first thing at our site, modsquadchallenge.blogspot.com, you will always see the name of the challenge, your host, and what the challenge is, and then the two sponsors. Right now on the right, there's a survey. I am hosting a cruise. Actually, I have to change this date. It's going to be early 2017, probably in February. And we've just got some few preliminary questions to help determine what the agenda will be. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is to join the site. You need to be a follower to help support us in order to be eligible. This week, as an example, the sponsor is Casual Friday Stamps, and there's two prizes. There will be two random draws. That means anyone is qualified to win. It doesn't matter how experienced you are or not. If you follow the rules, you're qualified to win. And the rules are pretty simple. Usually we have a second sponsor, but this week we have the same sponsor for both prizes. And then the host design team member always makes a sample. And the rules are right here. New card or project. That means if, for example, the date this challenge began was the 10th, your card cannot have been posted on Facebook, your blog, or any other site prior to this date. It needs to be a new project as of this date. Follower, I showed you how to be a follower. You can also use any vendor's product and still be eligible to win. But if you use the sponsor image or product from the current week's challenge, then you get an extra entry. I'll go into that some more in a little bit. And you have to follow the theme. Like this week it happens to be to use hearts. And a link back to this challenge page, which I'll also show you when we're doing the links. You can enter our challenge up to 3 times. Each card has to be a unique entry. It can't be a variation of the same card 3 times. And we don't put any limitations on how many other challenges you need to enter or that you are able to enter. And the rest of this you can just read. Now, I have a link here to how to use the InLinks tool and how to add the MSC. You put MSC in front of your link name if you use the sponsor image. This week it is Casual Friday, so if you use one of their images or one of their dies, then you can put MSC in front of your title. Trying to see if we have any here. But let's add a link. So here you put in your URL. Let's go real quick. And let's say this is the card that I'm entering. I just happen to have a heart on it. Of course, this would not qualify technically because it's the wrong date. But go directly to the card's link, not the main page of your blog. Copy the URL and paste it here. The link title. This is where, if you used a sponsor's image, you can leave all this if you want to, or alter it, whatever. But if you use the sponsor's image, this is where you put the MSC. And then your card will also show up down here. You just select it and hit done. That's all there is to adding a link via the InLinks button. Now, let's say you're, let's say you're adding the link to a gallery such as Stamp TV. Good. Okay, add your link. But this is similar to most of the galleries. Okay, add photos. Navigate to where your photo is and add it. Okay, I just selected first image I could find, and then you upload. Just the card name, whatever you want to call it. Then your description. So whatever you want to write about your description. This is also where you put that I submitted this to the Mod Squad challenge. If you remember, it does help to spell it right. One of the rules is that you have to have a link to the blog. Mod Squad's URL, copy it, and paste it. And that's your link back. And then it's where you add any tags that you happen to be using. And save. So once you're done, you go to the page where you just uploaded your card, copy your URL, go back to your InLinks tool, add your link, add your title. Remember, if you use the sponsor image, this is where you add. This is where you add the MSC and hit select and done.